You don't burn out because you work too hard. You burn out because some part of you never feels safe enough to stop. Even when you rest, even when you lie down, your system is still braced, waiting, monitoring, ready to respond. That's not dedication, that's your nervous system stuck on guard duty. Here's what most people get wrong. They think rest is about recovery, about recharging, about taking time off. But the kind of rest that prevents burnout doesn't feel like recovery at all. It feels like permission. Think about how you rest now. You finish work late, you sit down, you open your phone. Your body slows, your mind doesn't. It's still scanning, still comparing, still keeping score. So you wake up tired from a day that never really ended. You tell yourself you'll rest properly later, after this week, after this project, after things calm down. But notice something uncomfortable. You don't rest when you're tired, you rest when you feel allowed. And most of the time, you don't feel allowed. That's the pattern no one names. Your nervous system doesn't burn out from effort. It burns out from constant expectation. The expectation to be reachable, to be useful, to justify your time. Even your rest has conditions. You rest, but only if it's productive. You relax, but only if it helps. You slow down, but only with one eye on tomorrow. So your system never powers down. It just shifts into a quieter form of vigilance. Real rest is different. Real rest happens when there is nothing to maintain. No image, no role, no invisible deadline. No sense that you should be doing something else. This is why true rest feels strange at first, almost empty, a little boring, even uncomfortable. Because your nervous system has learned that stillness means danger, that stopping means falling behind, that being unavailable means losing something. So it keeps you alert, even when you're exhausted. Here's the shift that changes everything. Burnout-proof rest isn't about time off, it's about demand removal. The moment when nothing is required from you. Not improvement, not growth, not presence, just existence. And no, this isn't laziness, and it's not weakness. It's maintenance, the same way a system overheats when it never fully shuts down. Most people don't need more discipline, they need fewer internal alarms. Burnout isn't a personal failure, it's a nervous system that never learned it was safe to stop before collapse. Rest isn't something you earn. It's not a reward for finishing the day. It's what allows the system to survive the day at all. If this felt uncomfortably accurate, you already know why. Subscribe. Not for motivation, for clarity.